Hey everybody, my name is Ian. I work here at the Fort Worth Public Library, and today we're going to be making our own greeting cards. Now is a perfect time to make greeting cards to send out, because who doesn't love receiving a physical piece of mail that's not a bill? So today we're going to be making a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card. That's a standard A2 size card. A lot of crafters use that size, and there are also envelopes that come in that size as well for you to put a card together. You can use lots of different supplies around your house: markers, glue, tissue paper, stickers. I even took a piece from a planner, an old planner that I had laying around, cut it out, and it's going to make a perfect greeting card. So let's go ahead and create one and see what happens. So for this card that I'm going to make, I'm just going to use some regular school glue, and it's probably going to get a little messy because we're working with tissue paper, and that's okay. That's why we have paper towels and sinks nearby to get all cleaned up again. But I'm just going to glue my tissue paper down and get it placed here on the front of the card. And now, since my card has a lot of overlap of the tissue paper, I'm just going to go ahead and cut off my excess, and that way it will be the same side as the card. I have an old magazine that I'm okay with cutting up, and so what I'm going to do is I found this photo and I really want to use it on the front of my card, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out and size it for the card front. Now that I've cut out my magazine clipping, I'm going to size it down to the card because it's a little bit bigger than our card front. I'm also going to embellish it with a few stickers. I'm going to go ahead and glue down most of my clipping here, and once I get it glued down, I'll be able to cut off the extra. I want this hanging off the edge a little bit, and I kind of want it a little cattywampus. I don't know, I just like the look of that, so I'm going to go with that and then cut off the excess that's going off the side of the card. Lastly, I'm going to add a sticker. How appropriate is this thinking of you sticker? I think this is going to be great for what I'm looking for. I'm going to just apply it onto my little design. And there you go, a simple and easy card, but anybody can put these together, and it's great to have your kids draw on the cards or create artwork as well that you can send to your friends and family. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget, there's going to be more content on the library's social media channels. Make sure to go check it out.